clients that might have businesses, I mean, that's obviously a whole nother wrinkle when they come to you and they have a business. What are some of the complexities that you help people navigate when it comes to, like, say, a succession planning and preserving the wealth that might be tied up in that business?
That's really a very interesting situation. Is you have been building this great company. If you have a business to sell, you're probably doing pretty well. You've been generating good cash flow. You've been living a good lifestyle, and the income has been there. And now you're going to go from that to having this lump sum, which in theory has to provide that same lifestyle, or it's going to be a major input into providing that lifestyle. So now we're going from a very different perspective. That is someone where your cash flow, or your spending plan, actually, your spending plan is more a function of, I've always had plenty of money because I owned a business. And now I don't have that I don't have that flexibility. I want to take a special trip. Oh, yeah, I've got money in the company. I can spend it. So that's really where that becomes a bigger question on what they need to spend. Because obviously, if someone sells a business and they live rather frugally, that's going to be a very different situation than somebody who doesn't. I don't mean that they spend wild and crazy, but they live a nice lifestyle. And how are we going to be able to continue to manage that? It's a very different point of view when it comes to investing. And that is a really interesting experience, because you'll sell your company, you have a lump sum. A lot of times you get to, or part of the deal is you keep working at the company, but obviously you're not getting paid what you were before. That's part of that income stream, maybe for a few years. Those are really interesting situations. You've got a lot of tax implications. How was the business sold as far as capital gains? Does that happen all at once? There's a lot of moving parts and a lot of pieces to that puzzle. It's really it's a fun experience to be a part of, but it's really a rewarding one too, to be able to help someone turn that that liquidation event into a life-changing event. So if you like what you saw in this video today, just write something in the comments or go to our website, goodfinancial.com, and sign up for an appointment, and we'd be happy to have a conversation with you.